Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing both drives. Check Samsung Magician and SSD firmware, and back up any irreplaceable files. Once done, physically connect the target drive and verify it appears in Disk Management. Open Samsung Magician and select Data Migration to start. Choose the correct source and target drives because the wrong choice will overwrite data. Click Start Clone when the target is empty or you have accepted that it will be overwritten. The process begins immediately and shows progress. You monitor the cloning window and let it run without interruption. Power loss breaks the clone. If the source has errors, choose sector-by-sector cloning. Understand it takes much longer but preserves bad sectors. Once the clone completes, do not rush to boot. Shut down and swap drives if replacing the original. Boot into BIOS to set the cloned SSD as the primary boot device, and make sure OSI and NVMe settings match the previous configuration to avoid driver or performance issues. You boot from the cloned drive and verify the system, applications, and files work as expected. Once confirmed, reformat or repurpose the original drive to reclaim space. If the system fails to boot, try changing BIOS boot order first, then run Windows Startup Repair or use Safe Mode to reinstall storage drivers. These actions typically fix driver mismatch or mode issues. Remember to keep the backup until you are fully satisfied, because restoring from backup is faster than recloning.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.